This is just for the low beam access. I'm not taking the whole thing to bits yet. Now, here's the scary bit. Apparently when you first pull these things off, it's really hard. And the way it comes off makes it sound like you've broken something. Okay. Oh, well that was easy. It sounded a bit snappy. Alright. Don't know if you can see that, but still intact. I guess that came from there. Oh. I broke it. I broke it. Pull out and lift up, they said. So that's this side panel fucked on this brand new motorbike that I've only done 160 miles on. Well done me. There's the old yellow halogen bulb. The parking light does look kind of impossible to get to. I think it's a push fit once you do get in there. But nah. I think the plier is just going to slide off the sides of the plug. My pull. Where? Back out, back out, back out. Nah. Don't think that's going to play. You won't believe the harebrained idea I've just come up with. Right. Very hard to get into that bulb. That bulb. However, maybe with my slim, ladylike fingers, I can get in there. Maybe I'm going to wish I wore a glove, just in case the glass snap. Whoa, it's out. I've popped it. Ow. I've popped it out, just by pushing on the ends of the bulb. Oh, there you go. Oh, my God. That is damn bright. Okay, cool. Oh, there you go. I think we're in. We're in. That's it. Don't touch. The bulb is in. Taking some advice of what I've seen on the s1000r.co.uk forum, I discovered that this bit of my housing does detach. You do a half turn, a quarter turn, it lifts off. You make that weight there, and then step one is getting this in position, putting the clips back on. Ooh, that might have to be done without looking. Ooh, that's nicely awkward. Oh, there you go. I've pushed it in. There you go. That's the badger. Do I? Yeah, I think I do. I think I can clip this now. That, and I think I then turn the bulb in afterwards. My God, am I going to get it in there? I don't think. I think at this point I need to take off the fairing. I can't see me getting that in there in any way, shape, or form. I'm in. Oh, I'm almost in. I'm out. Oh, we're through. We're through. It's tight. I need to be aware of the polarity of this plug. You know what? I have no idea the polarity of this plug, so it's going to be the old research and development mode, otherwise known as trial and error. Clearly not the right way. Second time lucky. Ah, there we go. Well, that's great. But even shining on the door, it looked like the light pattern was a bit ropey. We'll just have to wait and see. Let's see what the crack is. Okay. Appears to be the right size. That's a start. And you've got these 3 tabs on this little angel eye thing. Some people have got rid of them, some haven't. They do make seating it a little awkward, so I'm tempted to clip them off. Okay. Well, that's better. So we know which way you're going in. I need to get you up there, I think, out of the way, which you don't want to do. Up there, out of the way then. So nice colour. Okay, you are in place. You go that way. Because what to do with this bad boy in a minute. Yep, you are clicked. Okay, so you're in. Let's see if it actually works. And high beam. Ooh, that's white. It works. It's very bright. Kind of, yeah. God, how am I gonna do this? These creases, man. But that's basically it. Get it all over your tips. You want to minimize the chance of leaving fingerprints on this stuff. Right, so which side is the sharp side? Call that the sharp side. I'm gonna get wet legs on this bad boy. Okay, so kind of like, okay, I ain't doing this properly, am I? You know what? I might just have to take the hat off for this one. I can't quite see. Well, that's nice. That's nice in that corner, I think. That seems reasonable. No. More water. I think I'll have to quit while I'm behind now. I'm done. I'm done. Back fucking hurts. I can't stand up. Oh, I stood up. It's not great. Right, basically, you win. You got me beat. It looks shit. I don't care anymore. Like the idea of the tank pad. I'm not 100% sold on having the tank pad upside down, but I didn't do a great job of fitting it. It's a bit loose there. I've thought about pulling it off, and so now I've separated it from the adhesive. So this one's junk. I need to get it off and then think about what to do next. So to that end, I have brought down the hairdryer. Been a while since I've used this, obviously, which you might have worked out if you look at my head. Only joking. I've only actually ever bought this hairdryer for the bike. Cool, look at that, it does look quite nice. The name of it escapes me. Oh, here we go. Tank Protec, 100% made in Italy by all accounts. Quattro IT. And le protezioni tank pro sono realizzate con uno speciale salma. Oh yeah, I don't know. Done it again. Took the whole thing off. That's it, just along the edge. Let's be honest, who doesn't like to be edged? But the plastic goes around a little bend here, which makes it reluctant to hold the form. Only slight snag here is these bits of plastic are in no way symmetrical. They are totally different. What I can really do is do that again, hold you there. This looks good on this side though. Ooh, reposition. Reposition desperation. Morning, I'm just going to show you a couple of other things I've done on the bike. First is my microphone. Rode VideoMicro, I think. And that's connected to a little volume attenuator. Otherwise, it's a bit too loud, the recording level. But basically, it goes out here, out here. Oh, there you go. Might just be able to see a bit of cable there. Going underneath and ending up about here. Then I've just got, just going back a little bit, I've got a plug for the GoPro camera, which you can see is mounted on this substantial bit of metal. I've been using plastic camera mounts on here, but they're too brittle. They end up breaking, mainly because I over tighten them, because I'm worried about the damn thing falling off. The other thing I did, which you're not going to be able to see easily, is put on this paint protection film along these edges. Why? Because when I put my Givi rack pillion seat hybrid Frankenstein's monster on, I want to get a strap around the back here to help secure it so it goes underneath. To that end, I've also got, and it might be a bit too dark for this, I've also got some gaffer tape underneath here to protect the plastic when I pull the strap around, so you'll see that all mounted in a minute. Here is my Givi rack monster hybrid thing. Oh, this could be tricky with one hand. So I've got a strap going on that's going to go around the back of the fairing, which you're not going to see because I need two hands for this. Now that's just the small top box. Not the big one because I couldn't bother to get hold of it and kind of get it off the wall. But the idea is less wobble. Now the strap has been tightened underneath the plastics there. And you can see, hopefully, there is not, I mean it moves when I push it, but no rubbish wobble. You know what I'm talking about, anyone who knows the top box. When it just wobbles, even just when it's secured on top of its rack, the damn thing wobbles. Well, there's no wobbling going on here. That's solid on the rack, so I'm happy about that.
Your mom is so fat, she has to get out of the car to change number.
Boosha!
Your mom is so stupid, it takes her 2 hours to watch 60 minutes.
Hey! Right, that's it. Thanks for watching this fuck up. Bye bye.